So smart. Okay, other than fast and intelligent, okay? Because of I have a very sharp eyesight to prove it that to you. Here Mr. Alif, handsome boy, and Jody. I was going with McCall, and they're calling Jody as a goddess of gambler. Wow, that's right. Okay, what you can see here are 3 empty bowls, okay? And a wooden dice. Okay, Mr. Alif will place the dice at the one of the bowl and spin it around. And Jody, our goddess of gambler, is going to find it. Alright, can we start now, Mr. Alif? Okay, look at the dice, okay, Jody? Alright, and pay attention. There's a chance for you. Alright, the slow motion. Alright, let's try. Yes! Alright. Can we do one more time, guys? Okay, one more time, okay? One more time, Mr. Alif. Maybe you can do a little bit faster. Alright. Okay, Jody, one more time. To make you confused. Okay, pay attention, okay, Jody? Oh, wow, so confident. Thank you, Jody. Wow, how come Jody can get correct 2 times? Don't you guys believe it? You believe it or not? So. Don't you think it must be a trick by Mr. Alif, my trainer? Let's play with Jody one more time. Okay, I'm sure you guys still not confused with Jody, right? So we're gonna get Jody to do one last time, and this time you guys get to choose where you want the balls to be. You want the balls to be on my left side, middle, or on my right? Up to you. Any suggestions?
Middle.
Middle. Okay, let's try middle, sir. Thank you. Mr. Alif. Okay, Jody, last one for you, okay? Got it? Alright. Right. McCall, thank you, Mr. Ali. For your information, alright, McCall's eyesight is 7 times sharper than us. That's why there's no big problem for Jody to find back the chicken side. Okay, now for the next one, let me get Smarty for you guys. Okay, please welcome Smarty. Our blue and gold McCall with Mr. Castorno. Why we call it Smarty? We call it Smarty because so smart. So simple. Okay, next activity. Next we're going to use the bell. Okay, before that, let's get Smarty. That's the bell first. Okay, the bell is working. Okay, we're going to do a simple mathematics. Wow, for Smarty, okay? Okay, Mr. Castorno will provide first number plus the second number from you. But the total end up must be not more than 15. 1, 5, okay? Okay, let's get the first number from Mr. Castorno. 6. Okay, just show me your fingers. Okay, 6 plus 2. Okay. Oh, very fine, ma'am. Only 2. Okay, 6 plus 2. Okay, let's count together. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I told you, really smart. Okay, now. Okay, we're gonna do one more time. Okay. Hopefully you guys can give me a big numbers. Okay. 7. Oh, 7 plus 8. Oh yes, I like it. Okay, now it's a maximum, okay? 7 plus 8. Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. I just want to test you. 7 plus 8 only. I just know that you are really smart, okay? You want to give Smarty one more chance? Same number, different? Sorry?
Same number.
Different. Okay, but for Mr. Kanan still 7, right? Okay, give me different number. Or you want still 8? 5. Okay. 10, 11, 12. I'm wondering what happened just now. Okay, now go back and continue your homework, okay? Your school homework. Thank you, Smarty. How do you and go? And also thank you, Mr. Gaetano. So funny. Okay, now everyone. So much for our parents routine. And it's time to bring out our king of the sky. Who's the king of the sky? Yeah, so simple, the eagle. Okay, before I bring our eagle, I would like to emphasize to one thing. There's no eating, drinking and smoking is allowed as our bedside tree based on the food reward system. Eating, drinking and smoking during the performance will distract them and affect the performance, okay? And also boys and girls, please do not stand up or raise up your hand. Try to touch the bird when the bird flies close to you, okay? For your own safety. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, now, for our king of the star, please welcome Mr. Gaetano with... Yeah! Welcome so big!
이걸 보내 아까들 꾸준히
Why you chase me? I just found that king of the sky, Mr. Gaetano. You did my eagle. Oh, no. It was fresh and it was so healthy. Jerry! Okay, his name is Jerry, okay, our Australian pelican, okay? He's still baby, about 2.5 years. Jerry, okay, it's not your time, okay? Back to your cage. Wow, see? All your friends is here already. Mr. Gaetano, hurry up. I want king of the sky. Okay, bye. So cute. Maybe in the future, okay, we can present to you.